Hey you guys, happy Thursday. This is Sarah from Knowi. I wanted to show you something that we just added to our COVID-19 Data Hub, and that is COVID-19 projections. There are two really important things for you to keep in mind when you're looking at these projections. One, what's our data source? The data source that we used is the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation, which is an independent population health research center that's part of the University of Washington. Secondly, the IHME has assumed that there are social distancing measures that stay in place throughout the entire month of May when they are putting out these projections. So, how can you use this dashboard? What you can do is do a location search. You can search by country, and if you are in the United States, you can search by state. For the purpose of this video, I'm using our location as the entire country of the US. What you'll be able to see in this dashboard is the daily new death projections, and what we're experiencing right now in the United States, and you can see through this data, is likely a peak of deaths based on the prevalence of COVID-19 in the US. You'll also see a total number of deaths projected, and what has been heartening to me over the last few weeks is the total number of deaths projected in the United States initially were much, much higher. But what we've seen now, because so many states have enacted pretty intensive social distancing measures, that number has decreased, which is why continued social distancing remains the most important thing that we can do. You can also look at daily ICU intake data. You can also look at the number of ICU beds that are needed. And again, in the US, we think that we're at a peak right now in terms of the number of beds. You can also look at the daily number of ventilators projected and the daily number of hospital admissions. We invite you to go into this COVID-19 projections dashboard, play around with it, look at the data, and we'll continue to make updates to our dashboard to make sure that our dashboards are as relevant as possible to give you accurate information. Thanks so much and have a great day, everybody. Bye.